All right, so behind me are two homes that we have built for a gentleman, and this is his second set.
Yeah.
All right. His first set was picked up by a Kansas tornado in Iowa and took his homes up. One was just completely rolled over and did not crush, and we did a video on it.
Yeah.
The other one was picked up and thrown in the Mississippi River.
Wow.
Had two ladies and a dog in it, and it floated.
And they all lived.
Well, the gentleman that owns these, I don't know why he's not on CNN as a national hero. He tied a water line, a water hose to his waist, had a guy hold it to the water hose, swam out in the river and saved them. One lady swam out on her own. He ended up getting the other lady and the dog out of that house.
Wow.
And brought them back to shore. And the house was floating. It actually saved their life. This house right here, these houses, not foamed house, stick-built homes that we built, was picked up by a tornado and thrown into Mississippi.
And didn't bust apart, and they lived.
They lived, and the one was flipped over, and it didn't even crush nothing,
No.
Amanda.
And that is a testament to the spray foam too. Putting that spray foam in there with
Everything.
this wood.
It's a testament to how we anchor these to the foundations and how they're built structurally sound.
Yes.
And you know what? This is the big thing that gets me. You go nationwide and you get all these inspectors from all these municipalities. And when I've had, Amanda, I bet I've had 5 or 6 guys, inspectors, building inspectors, will walk into these homes and they just shake their head.
I know.
And they just walk out. Like you're built like, you know what? What kind of home, what kind of residential home can be picked up and not come apart and been thrown across the Mississippi River and floating in it? All right. I thought it was awesome. Anyway, you guys see I'm pretty passionate about this.
It's actually incredible.
It's incredible.
It is.
And so this gentleman, because of the testament of that, and it saved the lives of his Airbnb people that was in them, he bought 2 more.
Yeah.
He said, you know what, I'm taking the insurance money and I want to buy 2 more.
Sure
and
did.
By the time he bought those 2, and these 2 are, of course, our prices and everything's up more, he said, I don't care, I want 2 more. And now these are 9 by 18.
Yes.
And they are kind of our freedom style home, but we made them a little bit bigger. This is when we were doing this. Let me show you. Can you guys see the sheen on this?
You can.
Can you look down that and see, like, from here, look this way?
I can see it right here, perfect.
Okay. This is barnwood trim.
Beautiful.
Barnwood trim. This is not easy to work with. It's hard.
Nobody likes to work with barnwood.
Well, like this board is not as thick as this board, right? And it's hard to cut. This is oak. It's hard on a saw. This board just doesn't come in the width like conventional lumber you buy at a sawmill.
Yeah.
Or like Lowe's. This you got to rip and you got to rip. So this board had to be ripped down to match this board to match this corner. And this is our flat log siding. And this is Ace. You stay here. And this has got our sick and stain. I love the sick and stain. It is powerful product to work with. But this has got a couple coats on here, and you can see the natural sheen on this.
Beautiful.
All you have to do in the years to come is take a top coat of the Sickens and you just brush it on, and you're good for another 5 or 6 years. I love a tiny home because probably a 4-foot ladder, you can almost do it well, except for up there. You can do a whole bottom portion of your house in stain in probably a day or 2.
What a beautiful rich color that is. It's really pretty.
I love this thing. Let's walk
off the wood.
Yeah, let's walk around this man a little bit.
Come here, Ace. He's trying to sneak off. You see what he's doing?
That door's shut.
Okay.
He gets bored with us.
Look at him. He's so bored.
Get over here.
He's bored.
So let me show you the barnwood here. All right. This is how barnwood looks. You see this big gouge out of that?
Yes.
The big gouge out of that.
Honestly.
The reason where I've done this before so many times myself building. I love this look. I used to leave the gnarliest part and let it hang down and be like where the dirt and the, had rotten the barn.
Yeah.
Now I have people say I don't like that, and so it's really hard to do a custom home with barnwood in that. So there's our customers that we want to use barnwood, we really have to interview them to say, hey, do you really understand what's going on with barnwood and how it's going to look?
Right.
And like
the shutters.
Oh, these are the shutters. Isn't it beautiful?
That's barnwood right
So that's
there.
barnwood.
Yeah.
And it's hard to handle.
It is. And it's heavy.
So you have to buy this barnwood from a supplier. It's got to be handled, like physically, taken off the truck, cleaned, sawed. There's just a lot to it.
There's a lot to it.
Yeah. So, anyway,
I love this one. This one shows it's cut, so that it's natural cut like that.
Yeah. See how it's rubbed? Had an angle on it? That's just the way the board came.
That's just the way it was. That's
the backside.
I love that. I'd keep it that.
I love this.
I know. I'd keep that.
Yeah, that's the part I like.
I'd poly that and leave it.
Done. Mm-hmm. Where'd you get that at?
Where'd you get that at?
You're copying me.
Stop it.
You've been around me too long.
Oh, was that what? Well, now I ain't going to disagree with that.
I ain't going to argue with that.
I ain't going to argue with that.
Yep. But look, I want you to point out here. Get that camera in here.
Get that camera in there.
Yeah, see how tight that is.
Yeah.
Maybe show it right.
What do you mean show? I don't know what I'm looking at.
Exactly. Isn't that cool? Look at that, man. I'm talking to you guys. I'm just trying to show you. Yeah, dance. Isn't that beautiful?
Break.
Yeah. And that right there is like a 1x12. Right there, it's 11 1/4 wide. Here's your mount of your mini split. Mm-hmm. Ooh, what's that?
Ah!
Isn't that beautiful?
Look
how shiny.
Me and my shiny teeth.
I guess
that's like a song.
Like, you guys gonna go inside? Come on.
We used to do Freedoms, Lord of Mercy, did we not? We used to sell them like crazy.
What, Amanda?
Them Freedoms.
Them Freedoms. Hang on here. Let me get a ladder for us.
You know what?
What do you know what?
You know what?
No. Them Freedoms. We sell them Freedoms like crazy. I wish we'd sell some more Freedoms like crazy.
Well, you got to put them up for sale.
Come on.
Come on, Ace. You coming?
You good?
Yeah.
All right.
What? Did you see what I did? I didn't see. I jumped.
You're up too high on the ladder.
I was up too high. Okay.
Wow. Okay, you do this one.
Okay.
Oh, God. Oh, God. It's 9 foot wide.
The sizes. What size is this window?
Yeah. Why do you know it? It's just a big window, Amanda.
Email in and say I want that big window.
Who cares what size?
Give me that big window.
Lay down across it.
I'm going to tell you, I absolutely love this. So you walk in. Let me shut this really quick. Who's that boy? There's all kinds of people around here. I don't know who
Get to the task of what we're doing.
All right. My God. Oh, my microphone's over here.
Where?
Right here.
I don't think you need it, but there it is.
Okay, so when you walk in, I mean, Randy knows this right offhand. This big rectangle size window, whatever size it may be, is one of my favorite windows. I loved it over the kitchen, like over a kitchen. This would be nice to look out of, but to have this much light coming in on a tiny house is just, you can't beat it. I don't like this is fine right there, but I don't want one of those right here. I just don't. That's just me. I don't like that. I like this fixed glass. You don't open it. You don't do anything to it. It's just open, brings all that light in. Put you a couch, a regular couch you can have here. Just a great big couch that you can, have in a normal house.
Yep.
Come inside. Randy's always taught me that behind the doors where you put the stairs, it's a dead space anyway. Put your stairs
put the
there.
Door at the bottom of the steps.
Go straight up. Look, come in. It ain't going to take up no space of anything else. You can put furniture everywhere else. Go up the stairs. He's dying to go up the stairs. But you've got your own living room right here. You come in. Randy always makes the point of if you have your groceries, you're coming in here. Come and put your stuff on the counter right here. Don't have anything on your counters. Randy don't like anything.
God, you must hate me. Look at your face.
Nothing. I mean, nothing on the counters.
Zero. Maybe a coffee maker.
What? No.
Or a bottom edge.
No.
Maybe.
You'd put it back up though. You'd put it back up. So, but you got a window in here.
You got anger issues.
Oh my God.
Is that heavy?
Who's lifting this? Oh my gosh.
That's a thick one.
His poor Airbnb people.
Gonna throw out the back.
You know what? Eat out. That's
Yeah.
all I got to say. Oh my God.
Eat out.
Eat out.
Don't use the sink.
Don't use the sink. You ain't gonna be washing no dishes. Oh, forget that.
Yep.
Of course, this. Now we do have the new ones. Now this isn't one of the new ones, but we have new ones that the knobs are they're non-existent.
Don't say that. He's gonna be mad he didn't get one.
Oh well, it's Randy's fault. You didn't get a knobless.
Knobless. Knobless.
Is that a word?
Knobless.
Knobless.
It is now.
A knobless stove. Or what's this called?
Yeah, the knobless
What is this
cooktop.
thing? A cooktop.
Cooktop, range hood, and microwave.
Done. I said, I don't know. Wherever I can save words. Hey, you know what?
Hey.
Now this is
Did you know? Hey.
we thought you were a toad. Okay, forget it. Anyway, there is a place, and I don't know, it's one of them blue zones or something like that.
One of them there blue blows. Yeah. Oh my God.
I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do today.
You're rolling today.
I'm going to start smoking. I'm going to learn to smoke. I'm doing it today. I'm starting National Smoke
Now, can you
Day.
remember what you started to talk about Blue Zone?
Okay. The blue zone. Okay, so there's one of these blue zones or something. I don't even know if it's in the blue zones. It didn't have nothing to do with eating or anything. But you're not supposed to talk. You're only supposed to say so many words a day or something. I kid you not. You ain't supposed to. Could you imagine me?
Hey, you know them blue zones, this ain't got nothing to do with them.
I am having an off day. Am I not? Oh God, it's ridiculous.
Forget the blue zone.
Let's continue with the tour, okay? I don't know how big his door is because he's got me doing it.
It don't matter.
Throw it open. I don't care.
Hey,
Like dust
I
all
don't
over
care.
it. Look, it's probably done been clean. Look at it. Dust everywhere. Come in here. You got your toilet. You got your sink.
Yeah, toilet,
and
sink,
you got a
shower.
shower.
Yeah,
I don't know what else to say. How many different ways can you say it?
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm delirious at this point. I don't know. Well, let me go upstairs. Can you go upstairs and do something?
Sure you can.
Well, now this is plenty. This is all you need right here. Well, you got to come up here and look. This is all you need. And you can't see all of it. Come up here. You got to show this side.
I can see it all.
Oh, Lord. They've got one of these little walls right here that's for privacy, like a little half privacy wall or whatever like that. Mm-hmm. And so this is all you need upstairs. This is cool. Great. Now, is this the size of these now? They're like this long ways, not square looking?
Yeah, that's a smaller one that we can put actually in the Incrediboxes. boxes.
Okay.
But there's still a legal egress square footage.
That's why you sounded. It sounded like there's still an illegal egress. No, they're legal egress, and these are wonderful.
That's looking down. Isn't that cool?
Yes, I love it. Look at Ace. Randy, look at Ace.
What are you doing, buddy?
You want to say something? That ain't something to eat. You guys say something. But anyway, I love it. I don't know how much these are. We probably don't know that, do we?
How much what is? The window or the house?
The house.
I don't know.
I don't know what the window is.
We probably don't even build them anymore.
Listen, I don't know what the window is. Call Lowe's. Don't call me.
This
call
one's
Lowe's.
9 by 18.
9 by 18. Figure it out.
Yeah, double dormer.
Call Tim or somebody.
I want that house that would blow over in a tornado. Yeah.
I want that house that's over in the Mississippi River.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Please, you know what? Subscribe. Feel sorry for us. Just subscribe out of pity's sake alone, okay? Bye, everybody.
See ya.